Hey YouTube, this is the final video for all the R810 installation updates. I'm very happy with it. As you guys can see, right now with the two 10-core CPUs, 20 CPUs at 2.26 gigahertz. That's the E7 2860. We got two sockets, so tomorrow there'll be the 4 CPUs coming in, 10 cores per socket, 40 logical CPUs total for two of them. Right now we're sitting at 114 gigabytes. I want to fix this and make it to 128 so it's all even. We got vMotion enabled via VMware EVC mode. Since the E7s are OS mirrors, so I have it set up for that. And here's the second host. Pretty much same thing. Identical. This one has 114 gigabytes of RAM too. Same setup as here. These are the hosts. So I got my failover set up on some of the VMs that have to be current and high availability, so it's all set. And here's a little map. Oh, that's pretty cool. It changes around every so often. But that is the map of my vCenter. We have the FreeNAS in the center, the VM network default, and then we have 212 hosts, which is the R810 that's right there, and the 215. And then here's some other local drives that I don't use, just for the OS of the hypervisor. My 211 server is my R610. It has 4 CPUs, Intel E5520s. All it does is run, it's on SSDs. Reason why I say it's non-SSDs because PerkSI controllers do not pass through solid states. So once you put it into a RAID configuration, your drive gets pretty much set as it's not SSD, but it is. The only server that says it's SSD is actually my SAN, which has a newer PERK controller. That's the only reason. This is a local hard disk drive. It's the heartbeat for the SAN, and that's the physical FreeNAS, which is sitting around 5 terabytes, 3.67 free. Yeah, overall pretty happy. Very seamless installation. There was no any hiccups at all involved. So yeah, here's a little preview of them. I'll show you guys them. So we got 212 right here, and this is 215. So I got 2 drives set up for each of them, local drives, put in fillers. They look very nice. It's a little bit louder than the R710s, but I'm not too worried about it. There's the R610, 2 SSDs. There's a 480 gig SSD. I might switch these out and put replace the hypervisor from being installed on these to put it onto the flash card readers, but I haven't done that yet, so time's been a limit. There's the Veeam backup server, which is running Windows Server 2012, which we're actually on right now using vSphere. And there is the GNET SAN. And this is our next project, is to make this larger. So we're thinking about 30 to 48 terabytes, depending on how I feel like doing it. And here's the back of it. So we got Intel X520 single, same thing in here. And then we got 2 redundant power supplies. It's a 1+1 configuration. So if I unplug one, it's a 1+0, so there's no high availability. But they're 1100 watt power supplies. Same thing with this one. And this server, I have my 2 UPS is plugged up into it. Those 2 right there. This is the 5X, 5P, and 5PX. So I have a virtual machine running right here. The configuration for that. And if I can remember, it's one, that's that, 18? Yes, 18. GNET password? I guess I did. Yep. So right here we have two EPSs. 54 utilization. I mean, it's pretty basic. This is a VM running my UPS system. It's pretty cool. You get it from Eaton. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the update. Stay tuned for the next portion of this video. I'll be uploading within the next few days since time's a limit. But other than that, like, subscribe, share the video. Thanks guys.